Welcome. In front of me I have the Kindle Paperwhite, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the ebook reader itself. Anyway, let's just pop it open. The back we have this pull tab. There we go. Yank that off, and we can then slide out the tablet along with everything that is inside the box. There's nothing else. Now, I actually thought that it's going to be bigger than this. That's what she said. It is supposedly only 6.8 inches. There we go. And then here we got cable, Type A to Type C. And just information on how to charge it and instructions. Okay, so let's yeet that all to the side. Let's find the power button. Oh, there we go. I think it's already booting up, as there was a little light. There we go. Oh, yep, I have to change the screen right here. So, on the box, we have a little bit of information. So we have 16 gigabytes of built-in storage. That's pretty good. Probably more than you will ever need for a actual ebook reader. We have Wi-Fi, adjustable warm light, which is actually even like stated right at the front as the greatest thing. So now with adjustable warm light. What else we got? We got 6.8 inch touch display with 300 pixels per inch. Waterproof. Yeah, apparently it's waterproof, IPX8. So up to 2 meters for 60 minutes. That's pretty cool. And yeah, that's about everything that there is to it. Other than that, it's just a basic ebook reader. Now let's talk about the quality here and finish of it. It does feel really nice. The back is plastic, but it has this weird finish. It doesn't feel rubbery like it looks, but it resists fingerprints. That's obviously pretty nice, and it's kind of hard to actually, like, for the camera to catch this. It does kind of reflect the light in a weird way. So yeah, now at the front we have basically the display with I presume this is plastic front right here, so all of it, it's seamless. That's obviously pretty good. And the display itself, we do have a bit of a bezel at the bottom and just bezels all around, but this is more typical of most Kindles, so it's not like this is, you know, going out of being like, you know, super cheap looking or anything like that. It actually feels really nice. Additional thing, compared to like some other previous generations of the ebook readers from Amazon, Kindle specifically, this one now comes with USB Type-C charging port. Because it's a newer version, they are forced by European Union to basically add this, and if you're wondering, Amazon is US, they still do business outside of US, so they will need to fall under the those laws, and obviously it's going to be cheaper to add USB-C to everything rather than just, you know, for Europe only. So that's pretty good, obviously. Now, so yeah, we have what looks to be a plastic front with a touch display and a plastic case in itself with a nice finish. Other than that, it's relatively light. It's not as light as some other ebook readers from them. I think I can't remember what they had. Paperwhite wasn't, I think, the smallest, but the older generations of them were a little bit lighter than this. Now, by all means, this is not like a heavy device. Just actually compare this. Let's bring up my phone. Yeah, my phone is heavier. So it is noticeably heavier. So just to kind of put that in perspective, the size difference and the thickness. So this is primarily glass, so obviously because of that it does add weight to it. But yeah, pretty light, obviously comfortable. Small enough to fit almost in a pocket, not all. And yeah, so there we go. I'm not going to go through the setup or anything like that. It's just a typical Kindle experience, so I'm pretty sure everyone knows how that looks like already. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.